Trying my hand at a install video. What the heck, right? Just picked up something in the mail today. Looking at the weather, trying to get some time to install it. With the Gladiator, everyone has the risk of blowing out their rear sway bar link mounts. So I reached out to Metalcloak and they provided me with some reinforcements. So let's get at it. Nice. Can never go wrong with some stickers, guys. Well done. Oh, these are some hefty brackets. Metalcloak was kind enough to provide the hardware to get her installed. Let's get at it. For this install, you'll only require the following: a 13mm socket, a 13/16 socket, and an 18mm socket. The 13/16 is for the provided hardware that Metalcloak has put into the packaging. So it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna remove some hardware up in here, pull the bracket, and you'll take this reinforcement, align it with the bolts right here, and mount down to the upper sway bar link mount, and you are good to go. So let's get this underway. I heard that these do not fit, but I had no issues. They just required a little tug upwards on the sway bar link. All in all, I'd say the install took me about 20 minutes, and I have to say it's a really easy job and it's gonna save you. So kudos to Metalcloak for a superior product and an easy fix on something that could not really necessarily leave you stranded, but could potentially create an annoying trip home off the trail. I hope you enjoyed my install video. Looking forward to the next one. If you've enjoyed this little install video, I'd really appreciate the subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by December, and I can't do that without the help of all of you. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks.